Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi bi ni'matihi tatimmus shalihat. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. In this sessions, inshallah, we will start continue for the Kitab Al-Arba'in An-Nawawiyah Muqaddimah Introduction, continue part 2. Okay, reviews about scholars of 40 hadith. We have 4 points. Abdullah ibn Mubarak, many great scholars before Imam An-Nawawi compiled collection of 40 hadiths. Abdullah ibn Mubarak is narrated by hadith, and this shows that his work continues respected scholarly traditions, right? Not a book. So knowledge is built step by step by generation of scholars. Seems like the scholars Imam Al-Hakim, Imam Al-Bayhaqi, Abu Nuaim, and others like maybe Ibn Taymiyyah, and the scholars of contemporary hadith is Sheikh Al-Albani rahimahullah. And now we're talking about the Imam An-Nawawi's intentions. So the main intentions of this book, since intention for Allah to spread authentic knowledge to benefit students of knowledge. The main intention of this book is sincerity for Allah and benefit for the Ummah. Imam An-Nawawi did not seek fame or status. His focus was to make Islamic teaching easy and accessible. A simple explanation. This book was written to help Muslim understand the religion easily, like Kitab Al-Arba'in An-Nawawi, maybe the compiled book of Imam An-Nawawi. Okay, and why this 40 hadith? So its hadith is a foundation of Islam. The short of Islamic law, the number 2 after Al-Quranul Kareem. And how can make it up for the sake for hadith? Seems like covers belief, worship, ethic, and law. Some scholars say they represent half or 1/3 of Islam. And together they cover. This make the book suitable for beginner and advanced student alike. Simple explanations like this hadith summarizes Islam in a simple but powerful way. Okay, and the source of the hadith mostly from the short Kitab Al-Arba'in An-Nawawi are Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. The most authentic hadith collections. Imam An-Nawawi rahimahullah commit the change of narrations to make memorization easier and learning more practical. So a simple explanation, Imam An-Nawawi chose reliable hadiths that are easy to study. So explanation syarah include Imam An-Nawawi explained difficult words and meanings. This help readers avoid misunderstanding. Difficult words are clarified. Meaning is explained clearly, helps beginner and advanced learners. Simple explanation. The explanation help readers understand hadith correctly. So it also shows that knowledge should be clear and practical, not confusing or every complicated. Okay, and the next slide. Something important of studying this hadith. Point number one leads to success in the hereafter. So remind us that knowledge must be practiced and success in the hereafter. Seems like a dua, the prayer of Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adzabannar. The contents, reminders, and guidance encourage obedience to Allah. So simple explanation, this hadith guide Muslim toward a better life and akhirah. And the content reminder, warning, and motivation to obey Allah. Studying them help improve both faith and character. Okay, next. So message to students of knowledge. The message to student of knowledge. The point one, study sincerely, reflect deeply, practice what is learned. Imam An-Nawawi reminds us that knowledge must be practiced. Learning without action has little value. True success comes when knowledge changes our behavior and character. So a simple explanation, knowledge must be followed by action. Next, reliance on Allah. Imam An-Nawawi placed trust in Allah. At the end of the Muqaddimah, Imam An-Nawawi placed his trust completely in Allah. Guidance comes only from Him, from Allah. Success is by Allah's will. Simple explanation, true guidance comes from Allah alone. No matter how much we learn, guidance and success only come from Allah. So my conclusion for the key lesson from the Muqaddimah Kitab Arba'in An-Nawawi from by writing Imam An-Nawawi rahimahullah. The Muqaddimah teaches sincerity, honesty in knowledge, and the importance of authentic thought. These principles are essential for anyone seeking Islamic knowledge. We conclude by asking Allah to grant us beneficial knowledge with the dua, the prayer, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a. May Allah adding and give us for knowledge in barakah, sincere intention, good intention, and the ability to practice what we learn. May this study bring us closer to Allah and His Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Maybe for that's all of the Muqaddimah Kitab Al-Arba'in An-Nawawi. Inshallah, the next session we will start to episode 3 for hadith number 1 about the intentions ibadah to Allah. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.